Buttons Full Disposable 100% Bamboo Viscose Diaper by Buttons. Diapers is one of the best sellers among diaper liners products. Buttons bamboo liners are luxuriously soft and perfect for your baby's bum. Tired of cleaning poopy diapers? Buttons bamboo liners make it easy to clean up. Simply discard the soiled liner into the toilet or garbage. The manufacturer's bamboo liners break down fast, so you don't have to worry about clogged pipes or a backed-up septic system. Buttons bamboo liners also protects cloth diapers from diaper rash creams. Made of natural 100% bamboo viscose. 100% bamboo viscose. Imported. Made of natural 100% bamboo viscose. 200 liners and 2 pk, 100 liners per roll, 12 inches by 5 inches, perforated sheets. Fragrance, dye and chemical free. Soft to the touch, and perfect for your baby's bottom. Flushable wipes compost fast to keep your septic system working smoothly.